In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub name in just 5 minutes. Navigating through GitHub to update your profile details, including your name, might seem straightforward, but there's always room for a bit of guidance to make the process smoother. The purpose of this tutorial is to ensure that everyone, regardless of their familiarity with GitHub, can easily update their profile name. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to GitHub's official website. Once you're there, you'll notice a welcoming interface where you have the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button located on the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to entering your personal GitHub space. Upon clicking Sign In, you're prompted to a new page where you are asked to enter your username or email address associated with your GitHub account. It's important to input the credentials accurately to avoid any login issues. After you've filled in your username or email, it's time to input your password. Make sure that your password is keyed in correctly. After entering your login credentials, press the Sign In button. This action takes you directly to your GitHub dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your GitHub home, where you can navigate to various repositories, settings, and profile information. Now, for the main event, changing your GitHub name. To begin, locate and click on your profile on the top right corner of the dashboard. This link is your entry point to personalizing your GitHub profile. Once you click on it, you're taken to your GitHub profile page. On your profile page, you will see an Edit Profile button, which is usually located near your profile avatar. Clicking this button is like opening the door to a room where you can rearrange the furniture. In this case, the furniture is your profile information. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll find yourself on a page where you can alter various aspects of your GitHub presence. The field we are interested in, of course, is your name. Locate the name field, which should be easily noticeable, and click into it to make your desired changes. Here you can delete your old name and type in the new one. This is your moment to redefine how you're presented on GitHub, whether it's a slight modification or a complete overhaul of your online identity. Once you're satisfied with the new name you've entered, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the page. By clicking Save, you apply the changes to your GitHub profile. This action finalizes your new identity on GitHub, thus completing the process. A couple of things to remember: updating your GitHub name is a change that is visible publicly. So choose a name that you are comfortable sharing with the vast GitHub community. Also, it's good practice to periodically review your GitHub profile and ensure all information is current and reflects your professional or personal brand accurately. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your GitHub name. Whether you're refining your digital identity or simply keeping your information up to date, these changes contribute significantly to your online presence. GitHub is a community where your participation and contributions are valued, and having an updated profile is the first step in signaling your active engagement. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful and has made navigating GitHub a bit easier for you. Remember, GitHub is more than just a platform for code. It's a community where you can showcase your projects, collaborate with others, and build your identity as a developer or enthusiast. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and happy coding!